lunchtime and you're sitting in front of your desk, but you're too busy trying to meet a deadline. Assemble yourself beforehand an easy to prepare, mess-free, healthy wrap for work lunch so you'll never have to leave your desk. Give yourself a low-fat, flourless treat with this easy, healthy, sweet potato wraps filled with chicken barbecue, veggies, and smothered in garlic dressing. It's even a fabulous way of using leftover chicken barbecue. Wash it all down with an ice cold lemon green tea. The ingredients of our sweet potato wraps are the following. The list of ingredients will also be placed in the description below. 1 cup sweet potato, 1 cup oatmeal flour. You can just blend some whole oats to get the flour. Boil your sweet potatoes in a pot of water till they are fork tender. Then fish them out and peel them while they're still warm. Mash the sweet potatoes with a fork till they are smooth. Then add in some oatmeal flour, a few at a time. Mash the sweet potatoes with a fork till they are smooth. Make sure your hands are thoroughly clean. And by the use of your hands, combine the 2 ingredients to form a dough. When a dough is formed, just cover the bowl with a tea towel and let it sit for a while. Meanwhile, let's prepare the ingredients for our sweet potato wrap fillings. Half a green cucumber, 1 small white onion, 2 small tomatoes, and chicken barbecue. The recipe of our chicken barbecue can be found in the link of my sweet potato salad video. Julienne your cucumber. Slice your onion. And tomatoes. Now let's make our garlic dressing. Our ingredients are the following: a cup of light mayonnaise, 1 clove garlic or an equivalent of 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon lemon juice or calamansi juice, 1/8 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/8 teaspoon salt. Mix all the ingredients together, starting from the garlic, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and honey. Stir, then set it aside. Meanwhile, let's get back to our sweet potato wraps. After left sitting for a while, take the dough out from the bowl and roll it into a log shape. Then separate them into 4 portions. Roll each portion into a ball with your palm and then flatten them slightly with your hand. Take your rolling pin and roll them as thin as you can, but not so thin since the dough tends to be delicate. If the dough starts sticking, you can just sprinkle a little oatmeal flour onto the dough to prevent it from doing so. When your wraps are all ready, you can just cover them with a tea towel. Heat up a non-stick pan and set it to medium-high. Place each wrap onto the pan with care so they won't fall apart. When brown spots starts to appear, flip them over and cook the other side. It takes 2 minutes to cook each side. Once cooked, cover them with a tea towel to keep them warm while you make the next one. All the wraps are done, it's time to assemble our sweet potato wraps. Wring the wraps out of the towel and spread some garlic dressing and place a lettuce leaf and the rest of the ingredients. It can be in any order you wish. The chicken barbecue, cucumber, tomatoes, and onions. Finally, drizzle more garlic dressing and fold the wrap. Repeat the same procedure to the rest of the wraps, then arrange them on your serving platter. This homemade flourless sweet potato wrap is an amazing on-the-go lunch idea. Loaded with chicken barbecue, lettuce, cucumber, tomato and onions, and drizzled with garlic dressing is a perfect combination of flavors. Complete your healthy lunch with an ice-cold lemon green tea. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and press the bell button to get notified when I upload new videos. Before we end, please don't forget to share this healthy recipe and check out my other easy and healthy recipes on my playlist. So that's it for today. Till the next one, happy eating!